Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Canon Powershot SX70, a powerhouse digital camera that boasts a 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and a remarkable 65x optical zoom lens, perfect for capturing stunning details from afar. With its DIGIC8 image processor, this camera ensures fast performance and high-quality images, while the ability to record in 4K video and create 4K time-lapse movies adds a cinematic touch to your photography projects. The 3-inch LCD tilt screen offers flexibility for shooting at various angles, and the 0.39 Type OLED electronic viewfinder provides a crisp, clear view of your subject. Equipped with a single memory slot, the camera supports SDXC flash memory with a storage capacity of 64 GB, allowing you to record up to 30 minutes of video. Plus, with the EOS Utility Webcam beta software, you can easily transform this camera into a high-quality webcam for both Mac and Windows, making it a versatile tool for content creators. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or streaming online, the Canon Powershot SX70 is designed to meet your creative needs with exceptional precision and ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.